Hi there. Today I am filming some recipes at Mozaic Restaurant in Ubud. It's very exciting that we're here up in Bali at the beautiful surroundings of the Mozaic Restaurant. And today I've got Fernando and David with me, who are the big deal in Mozaic for cooking. So Fernando, you're from Barcelona originally.
Yeah.
And
so my name is Fernando Corella. I'm the chef de cuisine here in Mosaic. I'm from Barcelona. My last job in Barcelona was with Albert and Ferran Adrià. Since then, I've been working in Singapore, Dubai, and then finally here in Mosaic, almost 3 years.
Yeah.
Working with Chris Allen.
Yeah, you love Bali?
I love Bali.
It's a very relaxed life, isn't it?
Well,
not so much
I would say,
here.
yeah, I mean, I would say when you are working in any place, finally it is the same. But when you have off time, yeah, it is a good place to live. Yeah, the lifestyle is good in Bali.
That's good. And we've also got David. And David, you're from Sweden, so it's a very multicultural environment.
Yeah, I'm from Sweden. I've been here for 2 years working as a sous chef.
Yeah, okay. And so they're all ready for us to do Kemangi
or lemon basil.
Or lemon basil Hollandaise. That's the first recipe of a really beautiful dish that we're going to create for you today. So the lemon basil or the Kemangi is a local lemon herb.
Yeah.
Tasting herb. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's start. So we're gonna start with some egg yolks, whip them up in the Thermomixer, then just add some butter, lemon juice, and finally we're gonna make it a little bit lighter because it's a heavy sauce. So we're gonna charge it in this to get some air in, so it becomes a little bit lighter.
Okay, so there's a lot of melted butter here, and is that all going in it?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Yum.
So it's unhealthy.
You can't. Oh no, it's not. You can't go wrong with that much butter.
It is fine.
Okay. We've got the 5 here that we're using, so I'm going to just step back a little bit because I'm in their way. So yeah,
we're going to set up to do like a Hollandaise in Thermomix. It's going to be very simple. We're going to set up the temperature of the Thermomix at 60 degrees, 60 degrees, and then we're going to program for 5 minutes, number 3.
Yeah.
So very easy.
And this is the egg yolks?
Yes.
This is the
That's
egg
all?
yolks.
Nothing else
right
in there?
now we're gonna cook the egg yolks. So we have the melted butter. So after the egg yolks for 5 minutes it is cooked, we're gonna pour the melted butter
into it. Yeah.
So now we're gonna pour the melted butter.
The melted butter.
Melted butter. Slowly.
Straight. Oh wow. Okay. If you go too fast, does it split?
Yeah.
Is that why you're going slow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the butter's in. Took about 3 and a half minutes. To add the melted butter to the emulsion, the egg emulsion. So now lemon juice.
Yeah. Let's put some lemon juice.
Yep. And you take a little while to add this as well, because you could still split your hollandaise if you add the acid too fast. Oh. Going to get splashed.
This is the Kemangi.
Oh, that's it. So have you blanched it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the lemon basil has been blanched, just in boiling water and out and into ice. Ice. Yeah. Not very much, just a little bit. Oh, all of it. Okay. There's no seasoning in it yet. So now you're just straining out the solids, yeah? Making it very fine, clear. This will thicken on standing as it gets cooler, yeah? Goes thicker, okay. Okay, so now we have the hollandaise and it's going into a siphon.
Yeah. Just gonna put it side to the siphon.
I bought one of these last year after I was here. I bought a siphon gun. What have I done with it? Whipped cream. That's it. But now I'm going to do whipped hollandaise. Beautiful. And how full have you filled that? How full? How high up?
Yeah, maximum it is for this siphon is 400.
Yeah, so you would only go about half?
Yeah, we have to keep we have to keep some space for the
gas.
For the gas.
Yeah.
So we're gonna close.
So don't fill it to full. If you dash out and buy a siphon, Don't let your kids near the siphon either. Just saying. Once they see you use it. Okay, what are you using?
Yeah, we are using a cream charge to make like a foam.
Foam, yeah.
So make some air inside.
Yes. So it's like a mousse.
Like a
this
mousse.
is like a Hollandaise savoury mousse. Yeah. Okay. So this goes in the fridge now until you're ready for service?
No, we keep in room temperature.
Oh, okay.
So we have to shake
Okay.
very well.
Really well. Okay. Get the Spanish music going. The maracas.
Let's to check first.
Me?
No?
No, you. Sure. Let's see. There's no salt or anything in this?
No.
No? Is that wow. Blended frog. All right. So that's one more aspect of our dish. But you could use that for anything, right? You could use that for salads or for with salmon or with eggs or anything.
Eggs
Any kind of herb in there that you feel like, some seasoning, done. Yeah, beautiful recipe. Thank you.